How to use bat file to uninstall Office 2021 for Windows. Here's a sample batch file that you can use to uninstall Office 2021 for Windows at echo off echo uninstalling Office 2021. Rem replace this GUID with the GUID for Office 2021. misexec/xguid/qb echo Office 2021 has been uninstalled. Pause. Make sure to replace GUID with the actual GUID for Office 2021. You can find the GUID by searching for Office 2021 in the registry editor and looking for the uninstall string value under its corresponding key. If you're new to GUID, please Google how to locate an app's GUID. And for starters, use the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide.